Today I want to show you how you can easily make money online from anywhere in the world by simply just copy and pasting links online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Well, as you guys know, in my channel I share a lot of information about making money with social media, specifically on Facebook. But every once in a while I get comments and messages from people from all over the world asking me for other ways to make money online. And so what I'm gonna do in this video is show you how you can make money and get paid to your PayPal account, basically by just copy and pasting. All you have to do is just take one link, put it through one of these websites, and then you paste it on one of the websites that I'm going to share with you so you can get traffic and get paid. Now I want to give you a quick disclaimer though. This is not the best way to make money online. This is something that you can do if you need to make an extra $50, $100 in a month. If you need to make some quick money to your PayPal account and you want to make some extra cash without doing much work, this is definitely something that you can do. But this is not the way to build a passive online business. The best way, in my opinion, is utilizing social media, utilizing affiliate marketing. And by the way, if you want to download my free affiliate marketing guide, which is where I show you how you can build a passive affiliate business on the internet, you can go and click in the description below to download it 100% free. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into my computer, show you the websites, and show you the strategy that you can use to generate traffic. Alright guys, so the following sites that I'm going to show you are websites that you can join for free from anywhere in the world. You don't need to have any special skills or anything else to join these websites. All you need is a username and password, and best of all, you can get paid to your PayPal account. So make sure that you also go and do your own research. But I actually did some research beforehand before making this video because I wanted to make sure that the website that I'm going to show you have actually paid their users and you're not going to be wasting your time. So this one is called Linkbugs.com, and basically you can sign up for free, and the concept is quite simple. You sign up for free, you paste your link to whatever content you want to share, and basically it creates a unique link which it's tracking how many views you get on that link, how many clicks you get on that link. And when someone clicks on those links, they get to see ads. And basically for every 1,000 clicks that you get on those links, you make money. Now, as you can see with Linkbugs, they have multiple ways to get paid, and you can also make money by referring your friends. And one of the key aspects of Linkbugs is that they have been around for multiple years. That's one of the things that I like, because when a website has been around paying consistently to its members for multiple years, then that means they're legit. Now, another website that has been around for more than a decade is AdFly. I've known about this website for years, and basically it's the same concept. You basically take any link, you paste it right here, you shrink that link. They'll give you a unique link, which basically you take and you can paste it anywhere online. And whenever actually someone clicks on that link, before going to the actual link that you're referring them to, basically you can get paid for every 1,000 views. You can see the amount of users that they have registered on the website, over 5 million users and 2.7 million clicks just today. So if we go to the publisher rates, this is basically how much money they're going to pay you based on the traffic and where that traffic is coming from. So basically CPM means how much money they're going to pay you for every 1,000 clicks or visitors to whatever link you decide to share. So you can see for the United States, they have a CPM of $21.86 for every 1,000 clicks, and then this one has $7.05. And there's a difference in earnings depending on where that traffic is coming from, whether it's on desktop or mobile. Now, just like the previous website, AdFly has been around for quite some time. So you'll be able to find lots of payment proof from users who have actually received their money from AdFly. Now, the last one that I want to show you, it's called Adminlinkcom, and this is more of a newer website. I have found some reviews online on Google from people who have claimed a positive experience using this website and who have received payment, but I couldn't actually find enough to confirm that they're actually paying the amount of money that they're paying to their members. So if we go to the payout rates, you can see that they're claiming that they can pay anywhere from $10 to $13 for every 1,000 views on desktop, and on mobile they're paying pretty similar amounts as well. But of course, like I said, do your research. Don't just join a website straight up. Make sure you go on Google, do your research, go on YouTube, find testimonials, find people who have used these websites, because the experience might be different for everyone. Now your big question might be, okay, great, I can get paid for copy and pasting links, but how exactly do I get the traffic? And there's two ways to do that. One way is to simply use social media, specifically on Facebook. There's many Facebook groups, there's many Facebook pages, and even your personal Facebook profile. If you have lots of friends, you can basically just share whatever content you're already sharing on social media, but basically convert your links through one of these websites first to make sure that at least you're making money for sharing content that you are already sharing on social media. However, one of the best websites that I found to make money with this method is Pinterest. Pinterest is a website that generates millions and millions of visitors every single day. And best of all, you can utilize Pinterest to drive traffic to basically any link that you want. So I'm going to give you a quick example of that. You can create a Pinterest board about any topic that you want. You can basically share pictures, memes, whatever type of content that you want, and make money from all the traffic that you're going to be generating on Pinterest. So let's say, for example, that we try to click on this link right here. So as you can see, there's a link right here to the website, and basically this is the image that was used to send traffic to this link. So you can do the same thing. You can make a Pinterest board about multiple topics if you want, and basically link it to your AdFly links or any of the websites that I just showed you. So basically, the more pictures you have, the more images that you have on Pinterest linking to those links, the more likely you are to generate traffic, and the more money you'll be able to make just by utilizing and posting pictures on Pinterest. So if you spend the time to create 100 images on Pinterest, that could generate some very consistent traffic and basically make you some good money by just simply copy and pasting those links. So as you can see, it's fairly simple. Just sign up for one of the websites, and there's plenty more of these websites out there. You can just go on Google, but I just show you some of the websites that I know have been paying users, and I found some reviews and information on Google from people who have actually used these websites and have received payment. But you should always do your own research. So make sure that if you plan to sign up for any of these websites that I just show you, or any other website online, that you go and do your own research on YouTube, on Google. You find testimonials and you find reviews from people who have used these websites. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you did like the video, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.